Welcome to Basic Python Programming. Episode 17, Python Exception Handling. Exception handling allows programs to handle unexpected errors smoothly. Python uses try, except, else, and finally blocks for handling errors. The try block is used for risky code, and the except block handles errors if they happen. This prevents the program from stopping unexpectedly. The else block executes only when no error occurs, while the finally block runs no matter what. Finally is useful for cleanup operations. Python has many built-in exceptions like zero division error, value error, and file not found error. You can catch them individually using multiple except blocks. The raise keyword lets you trigger your own exceptions. This is helpful when you need to enforce rules or validations in your program. This diagram explains how Python processes try, except, else, and finally blocks step by step. Here is an example showing how Python catches an exception when converting invalid input. When this program runs, the except block handles the error and prints the message. This example catches a division by zero error using a try except block. The output of example 1, basic try except, is as follows. Cannot divide by 0. Here we handle a specific value error and also include a generic exception block for other errors. The output of example 2, handling multiple exceptions, is as follows. Invalid number. This example shows how else runs only if no error occurs, while finally runs every time. The output of example 3, using else and finally, is as follows. File not found. Task completed. This example demonstrates raising a custom exception using the raise keyword. The output of example 4, raising custom exceptions, is as follows. Value error, age cannot be negative. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these Python programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Write a program that handles a division by zero error using try and except. Use a try block for the division and catch the error with an except zero division error block. Exercise 2. Take input from the user and handle value error if a non-number is entered. Use int conversion inside try and catch invalid inputs with except value error. Exercise 3. Attempt to open a file and handle file not found error if it does not exist. Use open inside the try block and catch the error with except file not found error. Exercise 4. Use else and finally in a try block to print messages based on success or failure. Place the main logic inside try and use else for successful execution and finally for cleanup. Exercise 5. Raise a custom exception if a number entered by the user is negative. Use the raise keyword with a message inside an if condition to trigger an exception. Thank you for watching episode 17. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic Python programming series.